Okay, so layout update 1-2-5 start date 2195. Putting in a road that will be next to this mighty fine meat packing plant with some pigs. Little buddy down there feeding them stuff. Over here we will have fire department there, city hall, police department there. We'll have like a little bar pub thing. That will be that little guy right there. Once I put some lights in it, finish some more weathering, some more details on the roof. Okay. And I might have something off to the side, maybe like a water tower. That one might be a little too big. Might go a little smaller with that little guy right there. Crossing over the tracks. This part will go back here, under the bridge. Little water tower place in there. A couple of guys got chilling on the truck. It's my little trailer park. Across the tracks. Over here, little truck. It's a little, I guess you'd say, freight depot. Water tank. Load stuff up on the trains. But the only thing about this is to go from here, you will have to drive all the way somewhere over here. There will be a road, a little power substation, back over the tracks. Over here, it's my barrel factory. Fly over here, cross tracks, go down that road to a little bitty shack, water tower. Come over here, it's my salting station, and this is the coal supply for my steam trains. Fill them up. And this is going to be coal yard for my hoppers. And I guess this little spot right here, I'm going to have the tie loader where they drop off and replace old ties. That's my little doohickey over there.